Did you see yesterday's 2 vlogs? We transferred from one resort to the other and went to Hollywood Studios for Moonlight Magic.
Moving pictures. Hello there, moving picture.
What's up, Doc? I've been all around the world. Every city, every place. Always been a restless girl.
Good morning from our view at Port Orleans French Quarter. It is Friday, May 12th, 2023. So long, towel, Mickey.
Guess this isn't it.
We got quite a line behind us, headed to Disney Springs.
You got that, hon?
This was the reason for our trip to Disney Springs. We have dining reservations at Rainforest Cafe because we're Landry's members, and on your birthday month you get a $25 credit. My birthday month was last month, but it rolls over to the next month, so we have to use it by the end of May, and we don't have any Landry's near where we live, so Rainforest it is. Limited time. That raspberry glazed salmon looks delicious. Tropical crepes. Gotta check in at the Elephant. Okay, these bar stools, very whimsical. They're feet of creatures. And it's under a mushroom in front of a fish tank. We sit down and the gorilla goes wild. So we've never sat anywhere near here before. Yeah, definitely getting the raspberry glazed salmon. Yep, spinach, feta cheese, cherry tomatoes, red onion, asparagus. Yum, yum. Tropical crepes looks good. That looks insanely good. So, teriyaki steak, shrimp, and some type of rice?
Tropical rice.
Tropical rice, okay. And the, oh my gosh, this looks so good. It just got dark, so you know what that means. It means it's gonna go crazy in here. Saying that was good, it's an understatement. This one's only 12 bucks. It's a journal. That's not bad. It'll even wipe off. Headed back into this store to get something I did not get the other day. This is like, I really love this store. I just wish the prices were a little bit better. Yes, I need to leave my worries at the door. Just not really touching it because everybody else has touched it. I come out of the store and Tom's already in line. Ugh, it's kind of long. So, let's see how long we wait. Okay, about a 15-minute wait. Guys, there's so much of this merch that I want. Love it all. Just love the artwork. You can only get 6 cookies at a time. Needless to say, we bought things. Okay, time to go into the un-Disney world of Disney. So, you think that's funny. I'm still mad at the whole remodel thing. So comment below if you're mad because they took out all the cool Disney things.
It's not that I'm not disappointed about the lack of Disneyness. It's that I'm amused by my wife's intense reaction to it.
Wow, they still have some of the main attraction pins left.
What?
Now that Tom finally got his DVC on his Apple Wallet, we won't go into that. My God, that was such a hassle, guys. He doesn't need me there to buy stuff to get the discount. So he just took off, I'm guessing to maybe get me something I've seen for a Mother's Day gift or something. Little does he know, I still have his credit card from where we were at Gideon's. I think I failed to mention, I was at Gideon's. He had to go to guest services to try and get the DVC card because they don't take the physical cards anymore, which is really stupid. It has to be on your phone. So he had to go to guest services to take care of that while I was at Gideon's. He handed me his credit card to pay for the cookies, and now he's out shopping and might not, who knows what card he was planning on using, but I have one of them. It's taken everything I have not to, I really love this, really love this. Oh my gosh, I may end up caving. I had one in my hand and walked away and came back and thought, no, it's $17. I'm not doing it for $17. They're too small. I love come in 2 days later and they have all this new stuff. Oh crap. This was not here. Oh, love it. Exclusively Disney. Man. Oh, turkey apple brie. That's new. Available for a limited time. We have decided to get a sandwich to go to share on the way home. Have you watched the haul vlog? It's already up. I'll try to remember to link it at the end. In Vegas, there were Carlos vending machines, and these are the exact cakes and how they looked when you got them out of the vending machine. And now they're here at Earl of Sandwich. I don't remember the prices in Vegas, but here they're $10.95 and the cookies are $3.95. And just so you know, annual pass holders and DVC do get a discount here on their orders. 3:06, we're just now leaving Disney Springs. Oh my gosh, we're gonna get home so late. Okay, hopefully we timed this just right. A whole bunch of people just got off the boat. Hopefully we have room to get on it. Gotta head back to French Quarter. This is where our vehicle's parked. If we do make it, it's gonna be standing room only, but I don't know if we're gonna make it. Nope, we didn't even make it closely. Nope. Do you follow us on Instagram? By the way, it's 89 degrees. It's May and it's already 89 degrees. Whoa, that's a big turtle. He has moss growing on him. This one's a big turtle. Oh, he's going back down. He's actually a big one. Oh my gosh. It's really taking a long time. We've been here over 20 minutes waiting for the next boat. about 15 minutes to get from Disney Springs to French Quarter, so it's even longer to Riverside, so just know that ahead of time so you can plan accordingly. This play area is new. It looks new, and we don't recall it from the last time we were here. Looks like we have more to add to the haul. This is our day at Disney Springs. Oh my goodness, it is 4:21. We are going to get home so late, or let's just say wee hours of the morning. We should have been out of here 30 minutes ago. The water taxi, I don't know what was going on with that, but that just took so long.
We should have been out of here 3 hours ago.
Well, definitely 30 to 35 minutes ago because the water taxi.
We could have been out of here 30 minutes ago.
Yeah.
Good water taxi.
A bus. Now you're good. Oh, crap. You know what I just thought of?
What?
It's Friday.
And what happens on Friday?
Oh my gosh. I-4 is going to be crap. Yeah, that good. Looks like we're going to be eating this now. I didn't even think about that. We're leaving on a Friday. Oh boy. Looking a little scary. This is the point where we're gonna be merging onto 4, and it's not looking pretty at all. Not at all. We'll definitely be using our Sun Pass today. Those express routes, those middle, what do they call those lanes? Express lanes?
Yes.
Express lanes, yes, we'll be using those. So we went with the special, just without the mustard, because Tom's not a fan of the mustard. So the turkey apple brie cranberry.
What's amazing, it's still warm.
It's being sarcastic, you know, because it's 89 degrees outside. I stand corrected, 92. Actually, I don't know that we really even needed the express lane. I'm shocked to say as of now, traffic everywhere has been kind of okay. Bad over there. I don't know, how much longer do we even have on this before it ends?
Not a ton.
Yeah, that's what I'm worried about.
But yeah, but you know, we were coming into town before, and now we're heading out of town, so that doesn't surprise me that it's worse.
We walk right into a Buc-ee. So we're at Buc-ee's Daytona Beach right now. They have party cups now and party trays. They've had the sippers. I've had the cheese and grape ones before. This was new with the tomatoes and peppers. Buc-ee's number 2. We're stopping at the St. Augustine Buc-ee's. That's what their current wages are. I'm making a quick run through because I realized Sunday's Mother's Day. So I need to find my mom a little something.
I've been all